A headset that looks premium and feels comfortable but delivers mixed results where it counts most. Spend time with the Havit H2030D and the first thing you notice is how balanced the audio output is. The low frequencies are present and controlled, not overwhelming. The mid-range sits at a natural level, keeping voices and instruments clear. The high frequencies are consistent, without harshness or excessive brightness. For casual listening or extended sessions, the stereo output covers most everyday needs without obvious gaps. That level of audio balance only becomes relevant if you can actually wear the headset for hours. The earpads are covered in synthetic leather and create a reasonable seal around the ear, reducing some ambient sound passively. The headband does not apply excessive pressure on the top of the head. The adjustment range is wide enough to fit different head sizes comfortably. The build uses reinforced metal, which adds durability to the structure without making it heavy. The frame allows a small degree of angular movement, around 30 degrees of opening, which helps with fit. For long sessions at a desk, the comfort level is high. The cable is nylon braided, which adds some durability compared to standard plastic cables. Connection is through a 3.5mm jack, compatible with most devices. Desktop computers will likely require the included adapter. On the cable itself, there is a volume control button and a microphone mute switch. The detachable microphone connects through a locking jack on the left ear cup. The capsule is flexible, allowing repositioning. However, capture volume is noticeably low. Even with the microphone positioned close to the mouth, the input level remains below what most other headsets in this price range deliver. There is no noise filtering, so background sound passes through without any treatment. Software gain adjustment will likely be necessary to reach a usable recording level. At around $65, the headset is a comfortable, well-built headset with balanced audio output. The design is clean and professional enough for both work and casual use. The limitation that stands out is the microphone performance, which falls short compared to other options at the same price. If microphone quality matters for your use, there are better alternatives in this range. If you are primarily focused on comfort and passive audio output, this headset covers those needs reliably. For competitive gaming, where audio positioning is a priority, the headset Corsair HS55 or HS65 will serve you better. For music listening, the headphone edifier H2030D delivers a noticeably superior audio experience, and if you want strong performance across all three areas, the Logitech G Pro offers a more complete package, though at a higher price point. That covers the full review of the Havit H2030D. If this is the right product for you and you want to support the work behind this channel, the affiliate links in the description are already set up with the best prices I could find. Buying through them does not add any cost to your purchase, and it directly supports the channel to keep producing honest and detailed reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.